Traditional sink traps under sinks in bathrooms and kitchens are space-consuming. Are you tired of removing hair and cleaning slimy deposits from your drains? Replace your traditional sink trap today. The Wastop Membrane sink trap can be installed anywhere from the floor up to the basin, vertically or horizontally. The Wastop Membrane sink trap can be installed quickly. It takes up less space and, most importantly, provides a pulsating, self-cleansing flow. Standard pipes can be used to install the Wastop Membrane sink trap inside the existing pipe. Flow through the valve generates pressure which pushes the membrane open. The membrane's shape and design ensures that it returns to its original shape as soon as the flow decreases. Hair and slimy deposits won't stick to the membrane due to the pulsating flow and the shape of the membrane. You'll never need to remove hair and slime from a sink trap again. In its normal closed state, Wastop Membrane sink trap stops offensive odours escaping from the drain even if the drain is rarely used. Install a Wastop Membrane sink trap under sinks and basins to eliminate sewer odours. And as a bonus, you'll never need to clean your sink trap again. Wastop Membrane sink trap stops odours and is self-cleansing. It saves space and is easily installed. The Wastop sink trap has a faster flow capacity than traditional sink traps. Install a Wastop Membrane sink trap today.